Okay, we went till Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Okay, Trishtup. Hare Krishna. What is time? 4:51. Krishna Govinda. Okay. So there are 19 meters ahead. We are just on the second meter. We can't complete like this. Can we have another class next weekend? If you are all interested, I can take. I like to teach. I don't have a problem. First time I'm teaching. I never taught. I only learned and relished till now. But we can have another class on next weekend if you all are okay with it. Yes, Prabhuji, another. Yes, we can have. Okay, we'll have it. Let us have it next weekend. So much content needs time to digest. Yes, you are correct. Next to next is festival. Yeah, correct. But second and third, I think, should be manageable for everyone. So let us have same timing, mostly same timing. Yes, because we learn there are so many other meters ahead. So let us complete Trishtup today. Hmm? So Trishtup, there are so many varieties in Trishtup. So the rules are very faint. It's not clear. Hmm? So I have not given too many examples here. Will not go too much in detail of Trishtup because I myself am struggling to understand it. We have kept only two examples. So वो rule मिल नहीं रहा है मुझे. I will have to go detail in the Sanskrit definitions. I didn't go. I wrote that. I read that Chando Vallari, which has English translations. But Chando Manjari, I have the Sanskrit this small book. How many pages? 166. Yeah. So this is Chando Manjari by Gangadas. This is in Sanskrit. Chaukhamba publication. I hope you are able to see it. Yeah. So I'll go to the Sanskrit definitions of Trishtup maybe if I get time. But anyways, let us recite these two verses of Trishtup. They are 11. Now I have made tables after this. Now it becomes easy to learn. From this slide, I started making tables, so it becomes easier. So please repeat after me. Nahi prapashyami. Nahi, I said, right? Because pra is conjunct. Nahi prapashyami mamapanudyat. Yach shokamuchoshanamindriyanam. Avapya bhuma vasapatnamruddham. Na should not be emphasized because mru is small. अवाप्य भू गलत लिखा है मैंने, भा हो गया इधर. ओके, इट शुड बी मा भूमा भूमौ. इट इज भूमौ असपत्न. अवाप्य भूमा वसपत्न मृद्धम. मृ विल बी एम्फसाइज्ड because there is conjunct ahead. धम. अवाप्य भूमा वसपत्न मृद्धम. राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम्. Okay, this is the analysis of Lagu and Guru. And now we will not go in all, otherwise one verse will take 10 minutes. So this is the analysis which I have given. This is the correct one. So there are rules here na. This Trishtup rules is like this. This first one goes alternate. Lagu Guru. Second is all Guru, then all Lagu, Guru, Lagu, Guru, Lagu, Guru. See, this follows the same pattern for all the padas except for the first akshara. First akshara is alternate. This is Lagu, this is Guru, this is Lagu, this is Guru. Na is Lagu. Ya becomes Guru because there is a conjunct ahead. Cha and cha. Yat choka. Yat. It is yat and sha. It is yat plus shok. So sandhi rule makes it this ta becomes cha, this becomes cha. Yat shok it becomes. It is yat shok. So here also it is written like this. This is sandhi. This is written separate, but this is sandhi करके लिखा है. If you sandhi विच्छेद करेंगे आप उसका तो it will become yat shok. If you go in word to word meaning, it will be written like this. Now this is another Trishtup. This has different sequence. So Trishtup mein, see, one is a chanda. Trishtup is a jati of chanda. and there is a upajati. Every chanda has a jati and upajati. Under each jati there are many upajatis. So Trishtup means 11. This is a jati. और उसके अंदर अनेक उपजाति, many variations will be there of Lagu Guru. So now this is how it looks like. Guru Guru, Lagu Guru, Guru Lagu Lagu. Many times it is another way of learning. This was taught in sometimes in Chandas. This is taught. They call this they make to understand. You know, the way of pronouncing is a little comedy funny, but they call Guru as dumb. Guru as dumb and Lagu as d. So now this verse, will be this pronunciation is Karpanya dosho pahata swabhavaha. So it can be dum dum da dum dum da da dum da dum dum, to understand how it flows. Like Shardula Vikriditi is first verse of Bhagavatam. Janmadhyasya. Dum 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 da da dum da dum da 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 dum 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 da dum dum da dum. This is Shardula Vikriditi. 19 aksharas. That will come at the last. 19 is very long. 11, we are at 11. We'll go to 12, then we'll go to 13, then 14, then 15, then 16, 17, 18, 19. Then there's 21 also. Srakdhara. The sloka which we sung. Just I'm giving some teaser for next session. The 21 wala is Srakdhara. That is the verse which we sing. There is one verse in Ramraksha Stotra by Buddha Kaushika Rushi. And there is one verse which we sing every day. Vande ham. Vande, how we chant that? Vande ham Shri Guru Shri Uttapada Kamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathan. We don't chant in meter. It can be chanted in meter. It is Srakdhara. So it goes 21, 7, 7, 7. So it can be chanted like this. Vandeham Shri Guroho. Nice, sorry. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yutapada Kamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam. I'm breaking at 7. Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghuna. I'm breaking at 7 again. Thanvitam Tam Sajivam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishakhanvitamscha. What is the last line? Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishakhanvitamscha. That is last line, I think. Yeah. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Uttapada Kamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam. Another verse in Ramraksha Stotra which comes. Dhyaye Dajanubahum. That is also 21. Dhyaye Dajanubahum Dhruta Sharadhanusham Baddha Padmasanastham. हो गया? Pītam Vaso Vasanam Navakamal Spardhinetram Prasannam Vamankarudha Sita Mukha Kamala Milal Lochanan Niradabham Nana Lankara Diptam Dadhata Murujata Mandanam Ramachandram. Okay, so this is how it is. Same meter is for our verse, this one. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yutapada Kamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sa. It can be pronounced like this. So this Trishtup, there are many varieties. So there is Jati and Upajati. So then Trishtup is a Jati. 11 means Trishtup. उसमें अलग अलग उपजाति है. So please recite this verse. कार्पण्य दोषोपहत स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्म सम्मूढचेताः यच्छ्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नम्. Okay, the Avagraha came here. See, we learned Avagraha. This one. Avagraha. She long. Sh, long, because there is a conjunct ahead. Here also conjunct ahead, so long. Stay is anyways long. Hum, long. Sha, dhi. mam, tvam, pra, hmm, pannam. Right? That last ma is not counted because it is only a consonant. It doesn't have a vowel with it. Right? Okay, Trishtup is clear. Let us take one the one Trishtup, another Trishtup, which is another Trishtup is a jati. There is upajati, the sub topic or sub category of Trishtup, which is called as Indra Vajra. It goes like the Vajra of Indra, so it is called as Indra Vajra. It sounds like this when we chant. Now comes in picture. We will see Indra Vajra today and stop because we need to understand the ganas, because we learned today and will not implement it, we'll forget it. So we learned the ganas, right? Remember the line Yama Tara Jabhana Salaga. I'll write it somewhere. Maybe I should have written it in all. I think I'll write it here. Let us see. Ya Ma. I hope everyone is comfortable. At least this much Devanagari. Yama Tara Jabhana. This is a short way to sa la. This is la and ga. Okay. Now Indra Vajra's definition. We will not go to the Sanskrit definition. There are Sanskrit definition for each. But the import of that definition, the outcome of the definition is this. The yellow, blue one which I have written here. Indra Vajra has ta, ta, ja, ga, ga. क्योंकि 11 है तो पहले त गण है, अगेन देर इज त गण, देन ज गण, एंड द लास्ट टू आर गुरु गुरु. क्योंकि ग गण नहीं है, ल और ग का गण नहीं है कुछ. गण only these 8 are there. These only 8 are ganas. So now what is ta gan? Ta gan is taraj. Ta gan is taraj, means guru, guru, lagu. Create, correct? Guru, guru, lagu. So this has to be guru. First letter has to be guru. This has to be guru. This has to be lagu. This is the rule for first 3 alphabets. Then again there is a ta gan. Again there is a taraj, guru, guru, lagu. Again the 4th has to be guru, 5th has to be guru, 6th has to be lagu. The next gan is ja gan. Ja कहाँ है देखो, ja bhan, ja bhan, lagu, guru, lagu, guru, lagu. So next should be lagu, guru, lagu. Last 2 are ga, means guru, long. Clear? Now here the rule applies for all alphabets. अनुष्टुप जैसा नहीं है या त्रिष्टुप जैसा नहीं है, फ्रीडम नहीं है. Every akshara, all the 11 in the one line have to follow this sequence. What is that? Guru, guru, laghu, guru, guru, laghu, laghu, guru, laghu, guru, guru. In dum dum language we can say dum dum da dum dum da da dum da dum dum, right? Lokabhiramam ranarangadhiram. Please chant. Rajivanetram Raghuvanshanatham Karunyarupam Karunakarantam Shri Ramachandram Sharanam Prapadye. Long ru has come here. Someone had asked question about the long ru. This is the long ru. This one. Third line, 4th akshara. Long hai na? This has to be long. So there is rupa is long. Rupa word is long always. Rupa. Okay. This font is not writing it right, but okay, its difference is there. This is writing long ru as like this, and the short ru will be like this. It will be like this. That turn will not be there like this. Okay, is it clear? No need to analyze each one. You have all have learnt it now very well. Let us just analyze first line. Lokabhi Ramam Ranaranga Dhiram. Right? Fitting? Correct? Rajiv Netram Raghuvamsha Natham. Correct? Karunya. Although this ru is rasva, see again there is a rasva ru. Difference is there. This is rasva ru, small ru. This is long ru. This font has very small difference, but it's understandable. It's not that bad. Some fonts have very clear round inside for the longer ru. So now this is also fitting. Karu, this is short one, but because of the conjunct here, nya, it has become long. Karunya. Yeah. Karunya Rupam. Karu, again short ru. Karuna Karam Tam. Right? Shri Ram Chandram Sharanam Prapadye. Right? Understood? Clear? Understandable? Please explain this again, Prabhuji. Lagu and Guru for this. How you relate with Yamataraja? Acha. This is a formula. See, every chanda will have its rule. इंद्र वज्रा इज तत तत जग ग, ये डेफिनेशन है उसका. ये तत जग ग को वो वर्स में डाल के इस संस्कृत में अच्छे से थोड़ा एलेबोरेट करके लिखेंगे. एंड दोज डेफिनेशंस आर आल्सो रिटन इन दिस छंद ओनली. सो इंद्र वज्रा's definition is written in इंद्र वज्रा छंद श्लोका. So they Vyakaranakars are like, they are like out of, their intelligence is, they are very nicely learned. So शार्दुल विक्रीडित का डेफिनेशन, शार्दुल विक्रीडित वो डेफिनेशन भी वो वर्स में लिखेंगे, वो उसी छंद में रहेगा, राइट. So they are very creative in this, making this. So Trishtup comprises of 11 aksharas, yes. So Indravajra is a subcategory of Trishtup. Some verses are only Trishtup, they don't have any subcategory. वो मैं नहीं समझ पाया अभी तक कैसा होता है वो. But this Trishtup Indravajra is having this rule of ta ta ja ga ga. So now this Yamataraja Bhanasalaga is a short way of remembering these 8 ganas. These are 8 ganas. See, there is Laghu, Guru, and there are each gana has 3 aksharas. 3 aksharas are, each gana has 3 aksharas. और 3 अक्षर में आपको 2 चीज बिठाना है. एक तो लघु, इसे नहीं लिखेंगे, एक तो लघु या गुरु. So there will be 8 combinations, right? 8 combinations of 1 and 0, or this Laghu and Guru. So 8 combinations means 8 ganas. So these 8 ganas are these. These are the names of 8 ganas. Ya, ma, ta, ra, ja, bha, na, sa. ये ganas के नाम हैं. These are the names of ganas of 3 each. और हर एक का एक सीक्वेंस है अपना लघु गुरु का, राइट. तो उसको सबको ध्यान में रखने के लिए ये याद करना है सिर्फ एक. त गण क्या है बोले तो we will be able to immediately get. Ta gan means what in this? Ta raja, guru guru lagu. Simple. Ta gan means guru guru lagu. Wherever ta gan is written in the formula of chanda, ta gan means guru guru lagu. It will become guru guru lagu aa jayega turant. So it's a simple way of remembering the definition of each gana. Ya gan means what? If I say today in this chanda the first 3 letters are ya gana. Ya gan क्या होता है? Yamata raja. Immediately you should remember. Yamata raja. Yamata. Laghu Guru Guru means Yagan. Simple. Shardul Vikrit is Masa Jasa Tataga. There are 21. This is Masa Jasa Tataga. Last one is Guru. Sorry, 19. Shardul Vikrit is 19. So 18 का 6 गण बनेगा. And the last one is G. G means G का कुछ खुद का गण नहीं है. G means Guru. G नाम का गण है ही नहीं ना. गणा के यही नाम है 8. Only these 8 names are there for ganas. L and G means Laghu and Guru. Whenever there is, now this is G written because 2 are remaining, na? There are 11. There are 11 aksharas in one line, and we have 3 ka 3 gan, right? And then 2 will remain. They will be Guru and Guru, right? Clear? I hope it makes sense. How many different chandas are there in Ram Raksha? Oh, many. I think 10, 12, 11, 12, I think. 10, 9, 10 maybe. We will have to count. I don't know. Okay, another Indra Vajra we'll see and stop. Now remember, this is ta ta ja ga ga is Indra Vajra. Ta ta ja ga ga. Another, our Mangala Arati actually it is. Gurvashtak. Shri Shri Gurvashtak is in Indra Vajra. Ta ta ja ga ga. Please repeat after me. संसार दावा नललीढलोक त्राणाय कारुण्य घना घनत्वम् प्राप्तस्य कल्याण गुणार्णवस्य वंदे गुरो श्री चरणारविंदम. या जस्ट चेक, लेट अस चेक. एवरी डे वी सिंग मॉर्निंग. कहाँ गया? संसार दावा नल लीढलोक. Last one is always long. I forgot to tell you there is a break here. Here we stop. In the previous verse also, after fifth syllable there is a stop. Lokabhiramam. There is a, it's called as yati. It is called as yati. Yati means a pause. So each meter has a definition of yati. वो definition yati कहाँ रुकना है वो भी उसके definition के संस्कृत श्लोक में डाला है व्याकरणकारों में, ये छंद शास्त्रकारों ने. So he writes in the definition that after fifth akshara you should pause. Lokabhiramam Ranarangadhiram. Same way we pause in our Guruvastak also. Samsara dava nalalidhaloka Tranaya karunya ghana ghanatvam. Right? There is a pause which makes it more soothing to the eyes. We don't sing in this meter. No, we sing in this meter. The tune is different. Yesterday we explained every shloka has 3 M's. Every shlok has 3 M's. कहाँ गया? Meaning, meter and melody. A single meter can be sung in n number of tunes, unlimited tunes. Now we can sing the previous verse in our Mangalarti tune. Tune is different, melody is different. 1 meter can be sung in hundreds of melodies. You can compose your own melody, no problem. But it should be suiting to the mood of the verse which is talking, the meaning also. So now we can sing this verse in Mangalarti tune, our Guruvashtak tune. Yes, we can, because it is in the same meter. The tune will fit it naturally. Samsara dava nalalidhaloka Lokabhiramam Ranarangadhiram Rajivanetram Raghuvamshanatham Karunyarupam Karunakarantam Shri Ramachandram Sharanam Prapadde. Oh, बैठ जाएगा. It has to sit. It has to fit. And we can sing that also in the same tune of Lokabhiramam Ranarangadhiram. Samsara dava nalalidhaloka Tranaya karunya ghana ghanatvam Praptasya kalyana gunarnavasya Vande Guru Shri Charanaravindam. We can sing that afternoon tune also. Samsara dava nalalidhaloka Lokabhiramam Ranarangadhiram Rajivanetram Raghuvamshanatham Karunyarupam Karunakarantam Shri Ramachandram Sharanam Prapadde. You can sing. एक ट्यून 1 मीटर को बैठ गया तो वो मीटर में कुछ भी लिखो आप. डम 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 भी लिख सकते हैं. डम 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 डम. सी आई एम चैंटिंग. आई एम नॉट सेइंग रैंडमली. आप कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं प्रभु जी. देखो ना, सी दिस लास्ट लाइन. डम 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 डम. राइट? डम 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 डम. यस. And this another verse, this also. Lokabhiramam Ranarangadhiram Dum dum da dum dum da da dum da dum dum. Dum means small, dum is long, right? Anuswar is long. So this way also we can memorize the sequence of different meters. We used to recite like this in school or college time also. 11th, 12th also, when I was studying Sanskrit, we had meters that time, higher meters in the syllabus. Later also I learned some things. Okay, I think how many I have put for Indra Vajra? Yeah, last one. This is third one. We'll see one more and stop for today. Then there is Upendra Vajra. Upa Indra Vajra. उसमें क्या है? इंद्र वज्रा ही है, सिर्फ उसका फर्स्ट वन शॉर्ट आता है. फर्स्ट उपेंद्र वज्रा देखो क्या है डेफिनेशन. ज त ज ग ग. इसका क्या था? त त ज ग ग था. इसका ज त ज ग ग. ज क्या हो गया? यमा तारा ज भान. ज भान मीन्स small, long, small, short, long, short. So the first one, only difference is the first syllable has become Lagu instead of Guru. See the chart, this is Indra Vajra. Upa Indra Vajra is just the first one has changed. Nanaka Prushtam, Nachaparamishtam, the prayer of Rutrasur. That is in the Upendra Vajra. Prabhuji, then as we have different tunes for Hare Krishna Mahamantra, can we this tune sing BG verses also? No. Yeah, can be sung, but sometimes हम क्या करते हैं हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र का ना, टू फिट इन द ट्यून हम उसका लघु गुरु छोड़ देते हैं. हम कैसे भी गाते हैं, ह लंबा चढ़ा देते हैं, कभी श्न लंबा दे देते हैं, कभी रे शॉर्ट बोलते हैं. हरे कृष्णा now I am not pronouncing re long here, I am pronouncing re short. So as per I am not pronouncing as per the pronunciation of the meter. So for holy name it is fine. It's holy name only, but you can't pronounce some samsara dava, sorry, sarva dharman parityaja, you cannot sing like this. Hare Krishna sarva dharman parityaja mamekam sharanam braja. कर सकते हैं करने के लिए, बट दैट इज नॉट द राइट प्रोनाउंसिएशन. ठीक है, ओके. प्रभु जी, कैन वी गेट दिस रिकॉर्डिंग और लिंक आफ्टर? यस यस यस, I'll upload it. How to pronounce the anuswar in samsa? Yeah, another rule of pronunciation. Asking good questions. So according to some Vyakarankars, it should be pronounced as samsara. It is ma only. But some say that when yara, lava, sh, these come in front of anuswar, so anuswar becomes va at some places. So this has this, as per some Vyakaranakars, this is saumsar. This becomes saumsar. Saumsar, like siuha. Siuha. But according to some other Vyakaranakars or Shiksha Shastras, there are different ways. Both are fine. Okay, I am not in debate with this. So simha, see why North Indians call Singha, I'll tell you. Singha बोलते हैं ना पंजाबी लोग वगैरह, सिंह लिखते हैं, सिंह. Why? Because according to another Vyakarankars, this should be pronounced as ng, जो हमारा इसमें आता है. सॉरी, ग नहीं है इधर, ह ही है. सो ng जो पहले लाइन में आता है ना क वर्ग में, क ख ग घ ng जो है ना, इट शुड बी लाइक दिस, सिंह. बट नाउ अगर आप इधर ग बोल रहे हैं, आप इधर अ बोल रहे हैं, सिंह, तो इधर कुछ तो क वर्ग का होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज हाउ इट इज इट डजंट फिट. सो इधर ह का वो ग कर देते हैं, क ख ग वाला. सो वो ह की जगह ग हो जाता है. देन दे पुट सिंह और दे प्रोनाउंस एट सिंह, नरसिंह, नरसिंह, और दे नरसिंह भी बोलते हैं, फिर नरसिंह, सम से नरसिंह, बट इट इज नॉट सिंह. either we can call it as nara this Simha. This is fine. Narasimha. This Simha. Even some say that this is also fine. This one. Is this like this? No. Is like this. Is how is denoted? Yeah, correct. Simha. That is also fine. And Simha is actually the right one as far as I have learned. It becomes Simha. Simha. Va bolna nahi hai udhar. It is va like this. It is va like this. So Simha is also fine. Samsar is also fine. Samsar is also fine. Samsara, Samsara. आप बोलने जाओगे ना, ये बोलने जाओगे ना, तो आगे अगर स है ना, तो आपका वो व जैसा हो जाता है नेचुरली. वो हो जाता है. संसार. सो बोथ आर फाइन. संसार, संसार या संसार. 3 आर लाइक ठीक है. उतना वी आर कलियुगा जीवस. We are not going to chant any Vedic mantra. That's why these yajnas are not producing fruits in Kali Yuga. Because for Karma Kanda, the mantra chanting has to be exact. उधर भावग्राही जिनार्दन काम नहीं करता है. उधर आपको you have to pronounce it exactly. Then only the yajna will be successful. Otherwise it cannot be successful. For bhakti, it is fine. Yeah, Narasimhadev, same, confused, sings wala. So Narasimha, Narasimha is fine. The movie's title also they have given Narasimha. M लिखा है ना उधर, घ घ जी एच कोई भी नहीं है, जी एच या जी नहीं है. They have written Narasimha. So it is Narasimha is also fine. Sometimes it is written as Nrusimha. This is also fine. Nru and Nara are same. Nrusimha or Narasimha. Narasimha. This is fine. So there are different pronunciations. Don't take so much tension. This is Bhagavatam 3.5.40. Again, Indra Vajra, Trishtup. Kindly repeat after me. Dhataryadasmin Bhava Isha Jiva Stapatrayena na Sharma Atman Labhante Bhagavanstavangri Chayam Savidya Mata Ashrayema. Again, Sandhi rule of Cha and Cha coming together. So, this is 3.5.40. So, this is also fitting in the meter. We are not saying meanings here. After a few verses, I have put meanings also of shlokas. Initially, I have not put meaning because initially for 10 shlokas, we need to focus on how the chanda works, how the meter works. Accordingly, we'll be able to pronounce nicely. So, this also fits in the meter. Dum dum da dum dum da da dum da dum dum. Right? This is also easy way to understand. So this is also ta ta ja ga ga. I hope it is clear. Ta ta ja ja ga is ta ta ja ga ga is clear. This is just a sequence. This is ta. This is again ta. See, the same is there. Long long short. Long short is ta. This 7 to 9 is ja jabhana. Jabhana. Short long short. And ga ga. Long. Simple mathematics. And some sense of pronunciation. Then we can pronounce very nicely verses. Once we know the meter, we can pronounce very nicely. Problem is we don't know meter. Once we know the meter, we can pronounce very nicely. How do we apply tunes? We are not aware of much tunes. No, I also am not good at music so much. I can sing, but I am not. We should not create tunes. That comes in the different way of. There are Saregama Padanisa different arrangement. Just like we have. No, not Shruti. There are just like we are playing with Lagu and Guru here. Swara is one thing. Swaras ki combination ko. Jaise Lagu Guru's combination is called as Chanda, or the Gana. 8 Ganas we saw. Yamata Raja Bha Nasalaga. So the combination of Ganas and Lagu Guru is called as Chanda, meter. Similarly, combination of Swaras, Saregama Padanisa, that is called as raga. Yeah, ragas. Different ragas are there. Different names, for different times of the day. There are different ragas. I am not learned in music much. I can play basic mridanga and kartal required for kirtan. But yeah, there are ragas, different ragas for different moods, different times of the day, like that. Okay. Any questions on what we learned today? We saw 3 chandas. Anushtup, Trishtup, and Trishtup's one particular category, which is called Indra Vajra. Indra Vajra's. So Indra Vajra, it is called because the sound is like Vajra of Indra. That's what they say. We have not heard Indra's Vajra. They say that Indra's Vajra sounds like this. Dum dum da dum dum da da dum da dum dum. This is Indra's Vajra, they say. So that's how the name is given. Shardula Vikridita means Shardula means lion. Vikridita means the playing of lion. Da 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 dum da dum da 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 dum 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 da dum dum. The lion plays like this. That's what they explain. I don't know how it plays like this, but and Bhujanga Prayat is that matches somewhat, going of a snake. That is the Bhujanga Prayat is our Damodarashtakam. Namamishwaram Satchidananda Rupam. And then Tunakam. One Tunakam is there. That is Radhashtakam. Radhikashtakam. We'll see that next session. It is alternate lagu guru, lagu guru, lagu guru, lagu guru, lagu guru. Dum da dum da dum da dum da. नाही कुंकुमाक्त डम डा 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 डम. That is Radhika Ashtakam. Guru lagu, guru lagu, guru lagu, guru lagu. That is Tunakam Chanda. So like this, different meters are there in poetry. Nowadays, people they use these meters in Bollywood songs, and also they use meters. But to make it sound, sometimes I recognize some old songs which we have heard previously. We remember, ye to ye meter lag raha hai. This is composed in this. Sometimes they steal from here. They steal ragas also many times. Everything is there actually. नया कुछ बनाया नहीं, वो पुराने कोई थोड़ा सा तड़का लगा के they make it new. Anyways, this is how the meters are there. All scriptures are in meters, most of them, except for some few shlokas which are in prose in Bhagavatam. Everywhere there are meters. So if we know the meters properly, then we will be able to understand. Yeah, these musical notes he has sent Asmit Prabhu. So just like they have musical notes, we have in meters, we have Lagu Guru and the Ganas and everything. Yeah, different stutis are there. Like Prahlad Maharaj prayers, they are in, I think, what is that verse? Brahmadaya Suragana Munayotha Siddha. Brahmadaya Suragana Munayotha Siddha. 14, Malini, I think. It is in Malini. Not Malini, Vasanta Tilaka. Vasanta Tilaka. Like Brahma Samhita is there, it is in Vasanta Tilaka. Brahma Samhita is Chintamani Prakara Sadma Sukalpa Ruksha. That is also in the same meter of Vasanta Tilaka. It is like the same of Prahlad Maharaj prayers. Chintamani Prakara Sadma Sukalpa Vruksha Brahma Daya Suragana Munayota Siddha. Right? Ishvara Paramakrishna is Anushtup. Prose also have Akshara and Matra rules. No, prose don't have Matra rules. Padya only has. Gadya doesn't have. Only Padya has Matra rules. Okay. Did you understand and like the learnings today? If you can write something there, I'll understand that. Devotees are happy learning the pronunciation and the meters, how to pronounce rightly. Okay. So I was knowing many had registered, but I knew few will stay at till end because not everyone maybe everyone's likings are different, swabhav is different. Everyone's I'll not say capacity, but this is just a flavor. Someone may be very nice in some different fields, but if someone, at least basics we should learn, and you should know the right pronunciation and basic tune and meter of each verse and practice it very nicely. If you practice and regularly recite, then we will remember also very easily. If you know the tune, it will be very easy to remember. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Happy to learn. So many doubts clarified. Amazing session. Yes, Prabhuji. Thank you. Pros also have extra. Okay. Interesting. Haribol. Yes, Prabhuji. Thank you. Kamlesh Prabhu, Shriram Prabhu, Asmit Prabhu, Ravi Chandra Prabhu, Abhishek Prabhu. I don't know from which all places you are, but thank you for coming and inspiring everyone present. Do we have Devanagari Mangalarti and Mangala Charana with word to word meaning on internet? Oh, we get only Balram font. There are books. There are books printed in Devanagari. We have in the gift stall also. With all Vaishnav songs there in Devanagari. I think the Belgaon they have printed. They have printed Vaishnav song book. In that it is there, but I don't know how far it is edited properly. Sometimes I have seen some mistakes. Lagu Guru है तो मीटर से बाहर चला जाता है वो. So it has to be exact. No, it has to be very proper. We are happy learning it. Thank you, Prabhu. Great opportunity to rectify the basics. Thank you. Learned so much. Mainly the Lagu and Guru, but so much theory. So how much I would gain depend. How much would I can gain depends on Krishna. Yeah, you all depend on Krishna only. ISKCON Ujjain. Okay, thank you, Prabhu. Thank you from Bangalore, Whitefield. Okay, thank you so much. ISKCON Abid Hyderabad. Thank you so much. So those who have missed, maybe you can refer them this recording when we will upload, and you can inspire them to hear and learn. These things are important, but they are supportive. They are not the core of Krishna consciousness. our practice of Navavidha Bhakti should be very strong. Then these things will help us. Otherwise, we'll become scholars and nice pronouncers, chandas and all. Our bhakti will go to the side. So that is not good. We have to become good devotees of Srila Prabhupada and Krishna. Then we will be. These things will help us in preaching and relishing our own Krishna consciousness and verses. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Physical session would have been more effective. Agree. Very much agree. But another drawback would have been so many devotees could not have been from different places, could not have been part of physical session. Okay. So something is better than nothing. So we had association of many devotees. So we'll upload the video. Those who have missed, or if you want to go through again, you can go through again. If you someone has some confusion, you can clarify it in the recording by hearing the recording. Thank you all very much for your kind association. I'll post in the group further details and we'll meet on the next weekend to complete the remaining things. Thank you very much. जगत गुरु शील प्रभुपाद की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय. हरे कृष्णा. Thank you.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama